everybody, my name is Mr. Nate. Hope you're having a great day. So if you're watching this video and on your screen you still have this button showing subscribe, which it means you have not subscribed to our channel, so quickly let us do that. So go to the subscribe button link here and then click on subscribe. Have you done that? Good. Okay, so let's move to our lesson for today. Now, today we are going to be talking about typing. And in this lesson, I am going to be introducing you to some of the key techniques to developing or designing a table in Microsoft Word. I'm also going to be teaching you how to add bullets and numbering to your Microsoft Word document. I'm also going to be teaching you a few other tricks in Microsoft Word, and I'm sure that in a few minutes we will all be able to do some basic things in Microsoft Word. So the first thing is, let us launch the Microsoft Word application. So what you do is you go to your start button, you locate your start button, then you type Word. Now I have Word already. So there are different versions of Microsoft Word application. There's Microsoft Office 2016, there's Microsoft Office 2019, there's Microsoft Office 2010, there's Microsoft Office 2013, there's Microsoft Office 27. I'm currently using 2010 and 27 on this computer, but I'm going to use 27 for this particular lesson. So, first thing, when you launch your Microsoft Word and you experience something like this, your typing area is quite small and tiny, you can easily increase by using the zoom icon here. So you can zoom out and zoom in. You can zoom out and zoom in. Now, I've done this already. I've zoom in already for me to be able to see properly. So I'm zooming in. This is zoom out. When it's becoming smaller, I zoom out. So I'm zooming in so I can see properly. Another thing you need to do before you start working is to set your page orientation. So I want to set my page orientation. I'll go to page layout, and then I'll go to page orientation. This is orientation. I'll just click orientation and choose portrait. I like to use portraits. Now if you click it, you see the way portrait look. This is how landscape look. Landscape is usually like a land shape. The portrait is standing. So this is portrait and this is landscape. This is portrait and this is landscape. So for this particular activity, I like to use portraits. That is why I changed my page orientation to portrait. So the next thing is, I want to create a timetable for like a meal menu in my house. So I want us to do that together. So first thing I'm going to type is, I'm going to type meal menu. Okay, so the next thing is I'll use my enter key to go to the next line. So I like to insert a table. So I'll go to insert button, I'll click insert, and then I like to insert a table of okay, let me say a table of 4 columns and 8 rows. So I'll go to insert table, I'll select insert table. So I'll change this to 4 columns. So you can use this arrow, this up arrow to increase the number of columns. You can use the down arrow to reduce the number of columns. So I'm using 4 columns and then 8 rows. So I'm increasing to 8 rows. And then okay. Now the next thing I want to do is to type morning. So let me do this in capital letter. Morning, afternoon, and then the last one is evening. And then here I like to type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so the days of the week start with Monday. So I'm going to start with Monday. So what I need to do is to just highlight all of this. So now I have typed everything. I've typed Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturday. Now I don't want to type Monday yet. I don't want to type Sunday yet because Sunday is the first day of the week. So it's supposed to replace this Monday. But I don't want to start deleting everything and start typing all over again. So I can easily highlight all of this, all of the text, and then I can Control X to copy. Then I'll place my cursor here, I'll highlight the remaining part, and then I can paste. Then I have space here. I can type Sunday. Sunday. You want me to do that again? Okay, I'll just quickly do that again. So these are all the texts. I want Monday to move down, Tuesday to move lower, and all that, so I can put Sunday just above Monday. Now, if I want to do that in the regular way that I'm sure a lot of children will do, they will start deleting and all, but I'm not doing that. I'll just highlight all of this. Then once I've highlighted, I'll use my Control X to cut, and then I'll move my cursor down below. First I'll type Sunday so that we don't have a mix up. And then here I can place my cursor here, I'll highlight the remaining part, then I can paste. I'm sure you find that easy. So the next thing is I want to change my caps lock small letters. So morning, Sunday morning, what will I take? Tea and bread. Sunday afternoon, fried rice. Sunday evening, let me just say pap, just pap. On Tuesday, I would say rice and chicken for breakfast. Tuesday afternoon, I would say eba and draw soup. Paste. Okay, so I just want to copy like two. Let me just copy like two columns so that we don't waste time. Copy and then paste. I'm done. Then the next thing is I want to just type Monday, Tuesday, days to fast. I'll say first Monday of the month of the month. Last Fridays of the month. I'll say, and then every Sundays. Every Sundays. These are the days to fast. Then the next thing is days to go to the market, start today's Wednesdays. Okay, so I think I'm done with basically the typing. So what I want to do right now is to teach you how to format text, and then we'll be done with this particular lesson. So I'm formatting text. First thing is my new menu. I want to make it big, so I will just change the font type to Arial Black, and then I can make the size 20, and then I can change it to center alignment. So this is fine. Now my headings, morning, evening, and afternoon, I can highlight everything and then make it bold. By Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the days of the week, I can highlight everything, make it bold. And then days to fast, I can highlight it, center alignment, make it bold. I can also change the casing. I can change the casing to uppercase just to make it all capital letters. So days to fast. Now I can add like a bullet. There's something we call bullet and numbering. So I'm going to add a bullet to this so you can see what the bullet looks like. So I've highlighted the area to highlight bullet. I'll just click bullet. You can see I've added bullet to my write-up. I can also make this all capital letter. I can make it all capital letter. I can take it to the center just like I did for the other one. Now here I can also highlight this and add bullet to it. Now basically this is how you can design a proper new menu using the Microsoft Word application. This is the end of today's lesson. I believe you learned a lot from this video, and I'm sure that if you practice, you'll be able to design this. This is very simple. I'm sure you find it easy to do. So practice this, and then don't forget to do your homework that your teacher would have given you in school. Thank you.